Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel B-Moto. Today we are here at Dubai Autodrome, and this is one of the special day here because we have Ducati 899 race, and I am following the entire day here. What's their preparation and how they will going to be in the track. Right now, all the riders are in the lunch break, so we can't have to follow them. But especially for today itself, please follow us and let's see how it goes. Right now I'm with the Tuan. He's a race technician here, and the best part is he gonna describe us about the bike and what's the class, the CC and everything. So Tuan, welcome to our channel, brother. So as you see that we have a bike here, Ducati 899cc, and Tuan, let us know our viewers what's exactly is this bike all about.
Yeah, this is Ducati 899. It was the special edition on the event. So this one, the race was organized by Wheels of Arabia from Bahrain. There's 6 rounds of races. So 2 events will be on Dubai Autodrome today and next month, 16th and 17th. So this is the 5th round. They're going, they're keeping him here in Dubai. So yeah, that's it. The bike was 899 Ducati. It's super stock bike. Nothing special in here. So this is the one and only Ducati event they was doing all over the world. This is the one make series from Ducati.
I believe we have a lot of information by our friend Tuan here. So before going to the next question, I would like to ask about the tires, because this is a few special tires here which they use it. So Tuan, what's about the tires?
Yeah, this only for racers we are using special tires. Thanks to Pirelli, they have provided us full slick tires only for racing. So that's what we are using.
So Tuan, tell me like how many times you can use this tire? For example, just one time, or like it's over, or you will repeat it again?
Yeah, if you think about professionally, only 20-25 laps is the tire was done. So only one race that you can do it.
Oh, that's a very short of time. I mean, basically for just 20 laps, you said like 20 laps. So 20 laps is enough for a tire to get rid of it. Then you need to have a brand new tires. What's the price of the tire? Any idea?
Tire will cost like nearly 2,000 dirhams, one set.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a huge amount. I mean, if I say about my home country, so it's gonna be a very huge price. So just for the pair of tires, it's 2,000 dirhams. It's really good to see and hear about that.
He didn't complete a lap at either of the 2 races. Under starter's orders.
for your country, do it for your name, cause they're gonna be a day when